progress. Doing the 15-pound backpack ruck. Woke up really early this morning, so I'm able to work out before I have to go drop Danny off. We're at 0.76 miles. We're doing a 5K, which is 3.107 miles, so let's get it done. Bye, little guy. What's going on, guys? It's been a couple hours since the ruck, so right now I'm eating my breakfast. So I have 2 protein muffins and a banana and a protein shake and microfactor vitamins. And of course I got my gallon right here trying to get that down. So for right now, I'm just gonna eat my breakfast. I'm gonna read. Then later on, I'm gonna probably do a patio workout just so I won't be worried about people watching me record and asking questions and all that. So just to avoid that, I'm gonna do a patio workout. Then maybe later on, go to the gym. I probably won't be able to record because we're going right when everybody gets off work, when Danny gets off work. So it's gonna be packed. So I wanna be able to record for you guys. So I'm gonna do it out here on the patio. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. I see y'all at workout number 2. Workout number 2 is all done, all taken care of. Reading is done. We're at half a gallon right now, and yeah. So workout 1, workout 2, the reading is done. We're at half a gallon right now, and we're not having no cheat meals. We ain't having no alcohol. So today is counted as a win for me, baby. All I'm doing is counting my wins and hoping to have more wins and losses, baby. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys want to see more of. Make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe, and make sure you comment something below, something you guys would like to see throughout the day. Yeah, I'm just really probably like showing my workouts, what I'm doing, what I'm eating sometimes. So just if you want to see more of something, just let me know in the comments below. And yeah, hope you guys have a great day. And if you're doing 75 hard with me, we got this, baby. We are here for the long run. Let's go.